Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to replace the float switch lever on your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, you'll typically need to pull the dishwasher at least part way out of your cabinets. And because we will be working on some electrical circuits, the first thing we'll need to do is to disconnect power to your dishwasher. If your dishwasher has a cord on it, simply unplug it. If not, you'll need to locate the electrical panel, turn off the appropriate breaker, or remove the appropriate fuse. If you do find that you need to pull the dishwasher completely out of the cabinets, you're also going to need to turn off your inlet water supply and perhaps disconnect your drain hose from the base of your sink. We'll also need to disconnect the mounting tabs from the bottom of your countertop so that we can pull it out far enough. Once we've done that, you can remove the lower access panel to gain access to the switch lever. And again, if you find you can't access it well enough, you'll need to pull that dishwasher completely out of the cabinets. And that will typically involve disconnecting your inlet water supply and also pulling the drain hose completely out away from the sink to give you lots of room. Now, for the purposes of this video, we've removed the dishwasher from the cabinets. We've removed any items that may have been in the racks, and we've laid the dishwasher on its back. Well, next, you need to remove that access panel to show you where the lever for the float switch is. Well, this type of access panel has quarter turn retainers. Simply turn them, and then lift the access panel away from the dishwasher. Now, with the access panel removed, we have clear view of that switch assembly. It's encased in a little housing with some locking tabs. So we'll need to depress both sets of tabs and then hinge that cover away. Now, with those covers tilted back, we have access to that lever. We're simply going to grasp that and lift it off of the pivot point. Discard the old one. And we'll line up the new one so the large flat portion sits up against the bottom of the float itself. We can then close those covers back up. And now we can put the access panel back in place. Typically, if you've removed the dishwasher from the cabinets, you would not firmly attach that access panel till the dishwasher is securely in place and attached to the bottom of the countertop. And to lock these, we simply need to turn them a quarter of a turn. And then we can push the dishwasher back into the cabinetry. Now that we have the dishwasher back into the cabinets, we'll secure it to the bottom of the countertop using the mounting tabs. If you've disconnected your inlet water supply, you'll need to reconnect that, turn it on and check for leaks. We'll also need to reconnect the drain hose if you've removed it. And again, make sure that that's tight to the outlet under the sink. We're now ready to reconnect the power, and your repair is complete.